Hi, Thomas Hyman here, founder and CEO of Realty Partners, and I just wanted to share with you a couple of quick tips as they relate to broker open houses. If you're from the Sarasota, Manatee area, which is where I'm headquartered, we have what's called the MLS Express event every week, which is a different section of the MLS zones is highlighted every week, and agents have the ability to pitch new listings, and then after the morning meeting, agents have open houses, broker open, so these are open houses just for agents. When I was working as an agent myself, when I had my team, I virtually had every one of my listings on the broker open tour. And once I got too busy to do it myself, then I had my assistant show up every single week and pitch the listings that we had. And at that time, I probably had 25, 30, 40 active listings at any given time. To me, doing the broker open has a number of advantages, and I so strongly encourage you, if you're not doing it right now, and I know for a fact that 9 out of 10 agents, probably 19 out of 20 agents, never put their listings on the broker open tours, because I see at the meetings always the same agents pitching their listings, and only a small fraction of the agents and the listings that are out there. So a couple of reasons. Number one, when you're having to compete with other agents at the listing appointment, I guarantee you 9 out of 10 times the other agent is not bringing up broker open houses. So what I used to say is open houses can be very effective, but what's really the most important open house to do? It's a broker open house, because at that open house, your home is going to be showcased to other real estate professionals that are most likely to have a potential buyer. So that really resonates with the seller. Number two, and this is really, really powerful, and I need you to pay attention to that, is the timing issue. In our area, we have 5 different MLS zones where a broker open house can be held. So it means every week there's a different zone, and your potential listing is going to be in one of those zones. And you know what? The next broker open house for that particular property might be next week, or the week after that. And if we drag our feet and take in the listing, you're going to have to wait 5-6 more weeks until that zone comes around and you can do another broker open. So I would always tell my sellers that these things are being held once a week in a different zone. It's going to be 5-6 weeks until we come around and can do it again. So we really want to take action on that, because this week, next week, whatever, is when the next broker open tour can be scheduled. And we certainly don't want to miss out on a month and a half in getting your property exposed to other agents that may have a buyer. So it's very, very powerful, and it does actually create a true benefit for the seller. I just got a call, text message from one of my agents. He did a broker open today, and he didn't have a lot of agents show up at the broker open, but one of those agents knew another agent that has a potential buyer, and that agent called him, and they're having a showing set with that agent's client tomorrow morning, 11 o'clock, I believe. So you never know. That networking absolutely works. But even if no agent that comes to the broker open has another buyer, even if that was not a consideration, just being able to use it as a closing argument to not put things off, but get moving right now, and to separate yourself from all the other agents that are never bringing up a broker open at the listing appointment. You just got to do it. Highly recommended. So that was my tip of the day. Broker opens, they absolutely work, and they have many, many benefits. I strongly encourage you that you take advantage of them. Thanks so much. I'm Thomas Hyman, founder and CEO of Realty Partners.